Team STEMbotix is driven by vision that reshapes education, a dream that turns into reality. STEMbotix is introducing first of its kind AI and Robotics Lab. With this, we are bringing about a revolutionary transformation in the field of education. Imagine a classroom where students don't just learn, they learn, make, and innovate. STEMbotix has designed and equipped these labs with ultra-modern furniture, ultra-modern IT infrastructure, humanoid robotics kit, AI and robotics kit, AI and IoT kits, drone, AR/VR, AI integrated block coding platform, 3D and XR platform, 3D printing, mechanical tools, graded curriculum and books, LMS. Through this initiative, students will have access to international level facilities right in their school. With AI-driven robotics, smart IoT applications and interactive coding, this lab is bridging the gap between learning and real-world problem solving. This isn't just an AI and robotics lab, it's a revolution in education. A space where young minds innovate, experiment, and build the technologies of tomorrow. Because the future doesn't just happen, we create it. The future is here. We are thrilled to announce the launch of 12 state-of-the-art Suman AI and Robotics Labs, a giant leap towards innovation, automation, and cutting-edge technology. STEMbotix is transforming education. Join us in shaping the innovators of tomorrow.